This is Chapter 12, Part 2. We want to determine whether this drug that is ordered at 0.045 milligrams and is safe for the child. The child weighs 40 kilograms, and the recommended dose is 0.001 to 0.002 milligrams per kilogram. What we need to do is to find the recommended minimum dose for a 40 kilogram child, and then find the recommended maximum dose for a 40 kilogram child, and then check to make sure that this is somewhere between those two values. So let's start off with the smallest. This is in milligrams per kilogram. So 0.001 milligrams per kilogram. Our child is 40 kilograms. I'm going to put the 40 in the top here so that the kilograms cancel out, and that's over 1. And we're asked, basically this is in milligrams, so I want to find out the recommended minimum dose in milligrams. So you do 0.001 times 40, and you get 0.04, and our units are milligrams. Now, what we've been prescribed needs to be larger than this, and 0.045 is larger than this. Okay, so this is the minimum dose for a child that weighs 40 kilograms. Now let's find the maximum dose. The only difference is that right here, we're going to have the 0.002 instead of the 0.001. Every other bit of this is the same. The child still weighs 40 kilograms. Our kilograms still cancel out. If you multiply here, you get 0.08 milligrams, and this was the maximum dose. Okay, so they've ordered 0.045, which is between these, right? So yes, it is safe. If I had gotten a number smaller than this, my answer would be no. If I had an answer larger than this, it would be no. If it's too small, it runs the risk of not working at all. And if it's too big, of course, you're risking killing the child. So always double check to make sure the prescribed dose is within the recommended range. Okay. You can see here that what they did is pretty much what we did. They found the recommended minimum dose, and then the recommended maximum dose, and then they point out, if I can turn the page, that it is between, so it is safe. Okay, so here's a picture of a volume control chamber. I'm assuming you learned this in other classes. Okay, now this is important. Pediatric daily fluid maintenance formula. Okay, and this is something that you just use, so you probably need to learn it. For the first 10 kilograms of body weight, the child needs 100 milliliters for every single kilogram. For the next 10 kilograms of body weight, the child needs 50 milliliters for every single kilogram. And for each kilogram above 20, they need 20 milliliters per kilogram. Okay, we're going to use this to work the next problem in the next part.